Ever wondered if your hardware wallet could do more than just store your crypto? What if you could swap assets right there, without jumping through hoops, connecting to multiple platforms, or compromising your security? Today, we're diving deep into the Tangem Wallet to answer that very question. Can you swap on Tangem Wallet? For anyone serious about crypto, the Tangem Wallet has carved out a niche as a sleek, secure, and incredibly user-friendly hardware wallet. Its card-like form factor and NFC technology make it stand out. But in the fast-paced world of crypto, convenience is king, and the ability to swap assets without moving them off your cold storage is a huge plus. So, does Tangem deliver on this front? The exciting news is, yes, Tangem Wallet absolutely supports in-app cryptocurrency swaps. This is a game changer for many users who prioritize both security and ease of use. You no longer have to transfer your funds to a centralized exchange, go through KYC procedures, or navigate complex DeFi interfaces just to exchange one digital asset for another. Tangem achieves this by integrating with third-party swap providers and decentralized exchange (DEX) aggregators directly within its app. This means that when you initiate a swap, Tangem isn't performing the exchange itself. Instead, it's leveraging established services like SimpleSwap and OKX-DEX/Bridge to facilitate the transaction. Here's how it generally works. You open your Tangem Wallet app, select the cryptocurrency you want to swap, and choose the asset you want to receive. Tangem Express, the wallet's integrated swap feature, then shows you the available providers and their rates, often highlighting the one offering the best deal. You can then select your preferred provider, confirm the transaction using your access code or biometric ID, and scan your Tangem card to approve. It's remarkably straightforward. One of the significant advantages of this approach is the breadth of supported cryptocurrencies and networks. Through these integrations, Tangem users gain access to a vast array of trading pairs, including cross-chain swaps. This means you can exchange assets between different blockchain networks directly, expanding your trading possibilities significantly. For instance, you could swap Ethereum on the Ethereum network for Matic on the Polygon network, all within the Tangem ecosystem. It's important to understand the mechanics behind this. When you use an integrated swap service, certain fees are involved. These are typically transaction fees levied by the third-party exchange or aggregator, as well as blockchain network fees, gas fees. Tangem itself doesn't impose additional fees for the swap functionality, but users should always be mindful of the charges from the service providers, which can vary. What about tokens not directly supported by the in-app swap providers? Tangem hasn't left you in the lurch there either. You can still connect your Tangem wallet to various decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap via Wallet Connect. This feature dramatically enhances flexibility, allowing you to participate in a wider DeFi ecosystem while maintaining the security of your hardware wallet. The process is simple. Scan a QR code or use a direct link to establish the connection, and then proceed with your swaps on the DEX of your choice. In essence, Tangem Wallet offers a robust and flexible solution for managing your crypto swaps. Whether you prefer the convenience of in-app exchanges through integrated providers or the expansive options of connecting to DEXs via Wallet Connect, Tangem empowers you to keep your assets secure while actively managing your portfolio. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.